Yo, what's up, fam? Today, we're diving into something fresh and fire. The brand new Huawei Pura 80 Pro Plus. Yeah, you heard that right. If you remember the Pura 70 Ultra with that crazy retractable lens, well, that tech is gone this time. But Huawei didn't just sit back. Nope, they packed in some seriously groundbreaking lens engineering and slick new camera features. Lucky for us, we got our hands on the Pro Plus right after the launch, so buckle up for this first look. Quick throwback. My colleague caught the Friday launch event and got the inside scoop on the Pura 80 Ultra's wild switchable tether lens tech. Basically, one sensor with two focal lengths. A telephoto camera that shares a sensor to flip between two zoom levels. No zoom lens stretching. Here. Instead, Huawei's moving a prism to switch between a 3.7x and 10x telephoto lens. Why's this dope? First, it saves mad space inside the phone. Smaller camera module means they can fit in a bigger battery or a beefier cooling system. Second, image quality is better because instead of a zoom lens sliding back and forth, which usually compromises sharpness, Huawei locked in two fixed focus lenses. Pure Optics Flex. Sony's done zoom lenses moving back and forth for 85 to 170 millimeters, but Huawei's approach? Cleaner, sharper, and smarter for everyday use. No more retractable structure here, but the Pura 80 Pro Plus brings a new 1-inch main sensor made in China. That's big news. Bigger sensor, better dynamic range, and top-tier aperture means it's ready to crush low-light shots and HDR. Pro Plus and Ultra versions share this camera setup, so performance-wise, they're tight. I'm hyped to get this baby out for a deep dive camera review soon. Until then, I threw together a spec table comparing all the cameras. And spoiler, almost everything's world-class, except for maybe one or two minor nitpicks in the telephoto range on the Pro Plus. If you're thinking the Pura 80 Pro Plus looks familiar, you're right. It's like the 70 series but evolved. The camera bump is bigger, but not annoying. Your fingers won't accidentally tap the lens. The frame curves like a smooth pebble, and our test unit's bright black with a ceramic coating. Legit mirror finish, perfect for sneaky selfies, or just checking if you've got spinach stuck in your teeth. One hot topic. The fingerprint sensor has moved from under the screen to the power button. People are split on this one. Some love it, some hate it. Honestly, I'm still on the fence. Huawei's keeping their cards close with the processor. No official model yet, because Harmony OS keeps it hush-hush. But Geekbench 6 leaks hint. At the Kirin 9020? Or maybe the new Kirin 9030? We'll see once we run benchmarks. Screen? Classic 4-curve display with a boost in max brightness, but not many other changes. Batteries where they went all in. A 5700 mAh battery with 100W wired charging plus 80W wireless charging. Oh, and satellite communication too, because Huawei knows you gotta stay connected even in the wildest spots. This series screams evolution. A tougher screen, more power under the hood, that amazing 1-inch sensor, and the mind-blowing dual telephoto system on the Ultra. Huawei engineers seriously outdid themselves. There aren't many phones that drop new tech and get people going. But the Pura 80 Ultra made everyone say, wow! And the Pro Plus? It's the more affordable sibling that doesn't skimp on what really matters. The Pura 80 Ultra review is coming soon, and you don't want to miss it. If you vibed with this first look, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. For more no-fluff tech breakdowns, it really helps the channel grow and keeps you in the loop for everything fresh. Catch you next time. Peace out.